In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious beef liver steak with onions recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need beef liver, 1 onion sliced, 3 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and sliced banana peppers. In a pan over heat, we're going to add in the oil. Add in the onions and saute until golden brown. Move the onions to the outside of the pan to create a ring. Add the beef liver into the middle of the pan. Cook thoroughly. Once cooked, we're going to flip it and continue to cook on the other side. Season with the pepper, and the salt. Add a banana pepper sliced on each of the steaks. Our beef liver steak with onions is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.